we know that deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of certain nutrients in our diet. If we talk about deficiency diseases, then they are diseases that are caused by dietary deficiency of specific nutrients, especially a vitamin or a mineral, due to insufficient intake, digestion, absorption or utilization of the nutrient. So what do we see here? We see that apart from vitamin, it can be a deficiency of a mineral or even other nutrients in our diet. Now, a very common deficiency disease is anemia. Now, what exactly is anemia? A condition in which the blood does not have enough healthy red blood cells. And what exactly does it cause? Well, it lowers the ability of blood to carry oxygen to different organs of the body. And if different organs of the body will not get enough oxygen, then definitely our body will not function properly. So what are the symptoms of anemia? Well, symptoms are dizziness, fatigue, lightheadedness and weakness. So whenever a person is showing these symptoms, then we can say that the person is suffering from anemia. Now, how can anemia be prevented? Well, anemia can be prevented and cured by intake of food items that are rich in nutrients such as vitamin B12, vitamin C and iron. So you see, apart from deficiency of vitamin B12 and vitamin C, anemia can also be caused by deficiency of iron, which is a mineral. So not only vitamin, but anemia is also a mineral deficiency disease. So once you have food rich in vitamin B12, vitamin C and iron, you can cure and prevent anemia. So what are the food items which can provide us enough supply of these nutrients? Well, these are artichoke, red meat, egg yolk, parsley, spinach, broccoli, beans and potato. So if you have these food items, then you will have enough supply of vitamin B12, vitamin C and iron, and you will not suffer from deficiency disease such as anemia. Now let's see another disease which is caused by deficiency of a certain mineral in the body. It is goiter. Now what is goiter? Enlargement of a gland in the neck that causes the neck to swell. So do you see, in the case of a person suffering from goiter, you will see swelling in the neck. And how is it caused? It is caused due to deficiency of iodine, which is a very important mineral. And what are the symptoms? Swelling of neck, coughing, throat tightness and breathing problem. So these are some common symptoms of goiter. Now, how do we cure or prevent goiter? Well, foods rich in iodine can help to prevent and cure goiter. And what are these food items? Well, a very common one is iodized salt. So you must have seen iodized salt at your homes. Well, why do you think the salt is iodized? Well, iodine is mixed in salt so that it is rich in iodine and you do not suffer from deficiency of iodine. Now, apart from iodized salt, there are different food items that can help you get enough supply of iodine. So what are these food items? Dried seaweed, codfish, yogurt, baked potato, eggs, tuna, turkey, cranberries and strawberries are good sources of iodine. Now, another disease which is caused due to severe deficiency of different nutrients is marasmus. Now, what exactly is marasmus? It is a severe form of protein energy malnutrition caused by shortage of protein and energy in the body. So you see, it basically is caused due to shortage of both protein and energy giving food. So the child is not having protein rich food as well as energy rich food. So child is not getting either protein or energy in his or her diet, and as a result such children suffer from marasmus. Now, what are the symptoms? Body weight is less than 60% of the expected. So weight of the child is about half of what it ideally should be according to his or her age. So that is a very important symptom of marasmus. Apart from that, you will see severe muscle wasting, as you can see in the case of this particular child. As you can see, the muscles are almost non-existent. So this is a very important symptom of marasmus. Now, how do we prevent or cure marasmus? Well, the only solution is to have a balanced diet, because the child is missing almost all the nutrients in his or her diet. So having a balanced diet is very important to cure marasmus. Marasmus is caused due to high intake of energy rich food. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, the answer is false. Marasmus is not caused due to high intake of energy rich food. In fact, it is caused due to insufficient intake of energy rich and protein rich food. Now, another disease which is very similar to marasmus is kwashiorkor. Now, why do we say it's similar? Because one nutrient is common in both the cases. So what exactly is kwashiorkor? It is a malnutrition disease caused due to severely inadequate amount of protein in the diet. So sufficient energy intake but insufficient protein intake distinguishes it from marasmus. So in the case of marasmus, it was insufficient protein as well as energy in the diet, while in this case the child is taking enough energy rich food but is taking insufficient protein rich food in his or her diet. So what are the symptoms? Well, delayed growth in children and swollen stomach. So as you can see, in the case of this child, stomach is swollen because the child is suffering from kwashiorkor, which is due to deficiency of protein in the diet. And how do we prevent or cure kwashiorkor? Well, we can have food such as meat and fish, cheese, eggs, beans, bread, hummus, nuts and seeds. So if you have all these food, you will get enough protein in your diet. And if you have enough protein in your diet, you can prevent kwashiorkor. So high protein diet helps to prevent and cure kwashiorkor. So deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of one or more nutrients in the diet. So we saw that lack of minerals, protein and energy in the diet can also cause a number of diseases. Having a balanced diet is important for preventing deficiency diseases, because a balanced diet will contain all the important nutrients. So a balanced diet contains a proper balance of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates and fats. As a result, when we have a balanced diet, we can avoid most of the deficiency diseases. So today we learnt about anemia, goiter, marasmus and kwashiorkor, which are all deficiency diseases. Now, anemia is caused majorly due to deficiency of iron along with some other vitamins. Now, what are the symptoms? Dizziness, fatigue, lightheadedness and weakness. And what are the food items that supply good amount of iron to our body? Well, red meat and green leafy vegetables supply good amount of iron to our body. Now, next, let's come to goiter. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of iodine in our diet. So, what are the symptoms? Swelling of neck, coughing, throat tightness and breathing problem. And how do we prevent or cure goiter? By having these food items: eggs, sea vegetables and fish, which are rich in iodine. Then let's come to marasmus. Now, marasmus is a protein energy deficiency disease. So, in this case, the diet lacks protein as well as energy rich food. What are the symptoms? Decreased body weight and severe muscle wasting. So, only way to cure or prevent marasmus is to have a balanced diet containing all the nutrients. Then let's come to kwashiorkor, which is a deficiency disease caused due to deficiency of protein in the diet. What are the symptoms? Delayed growth in children and swollen stomach. What are the food items which can prevent and cure kwashiorkor? Dairy products, beans, meat and fish are some common food items that can provide enough protein to our body. And once we have these food in a balanced diet, then we can prevent all such deficiency diseases.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.